Hello there. So we are back with Outlook Calendar API. Now I'll show you how to create an event in your calendar. So I'll click on this button called Create Event. So here you can see a form here where it asks for subject, then the email attendees and the name of the attendees, then the start date and end date. This is the duration of the event, then the name of the event and description of the event. So first we'll start with subject, which is just for testing an event. Then in attendees, I'll give some attendees emails. And for multiple attendees, you can give them by separating by comma. Then for name also, you can give them by separating a comma. You can give multiple attendees. Then for start date, I'll give it tomorrow's date with timing as 12 morning 12, then the same date 18th with 4 as the ending event, ending time of the event. Then the display name, this is the name of the event, testing. Then for add a description, I'll give this is just for testing an event in the calendar, and now I'll save it. So the event has been created. Now it will refresh, and then in this calendar design you'll be able to see this event shown here. It's 12 p.m. just for testing an event. That's the subject. Now I'll click on this. So it will show the form with all the details fetched. So now what we can do is we can update the event. Now for updating it, I'll remove the second participant. Then I'll change the subject to an important announcement. Important announcement. Then I'll save it. Now the event is updated and now it will refresh. Now as you can see, the timing, the display is changed, and the attendees and subject is also changed. So we'll check how to create and update an event. Then here, so here there's a API called create event. For that you need access token, then the subject, then there is this content type. You can give it as text if you want a simple text in the description. If you want HTML shown to in the description, you can give it as HTML. And in body, if it's HTML content type, then you have to give HTML tags to so that the HTML will work, or else you can give a simple text. Then the start date time will be in this format. In the documentation you can see that, and the end time also same. Then the time zone, you can get it from the element called Outlook Cal, where there is a property called current time zone. You can set that to current time zone in the element. Then the display name and the attendees, and there are two attendees format. First is the email address, then the name. So this is how you can create an event. And for updating an event, same thing is required. You can give everything as say follows. Then there are two fields, extra fields here called reminder, then the hide attendees. For reminder, if you want that event to be reminded before 30 minutes or so, you can give that as true. Then hide attendees you can give as false if you don't want to, if you want to show it in the while show it to others, or you can give it as true if you don't want to show the attendees to others. So yeah, this is how you can create or update an event. Thank you.